Ah, my dear folks, today's highlights are truly something special. I can't help but feel an overwhelming sense of pride from this particular indicator. It's absolutely on point, isn't it? The goal of this video is clear, and I want you to understand why every detail matters here. Remember this morning? We arrived together right here in this vibrant space. I know everyone remembers those early moments, those subtle shifts happening in the data. But let's revisit it closely. What do we see when we look at the trends flowing in? Well, today's sign is undeniable, right? The pattern is clearly forming, and it's building momentum. You can feel it in the air, can you not? The language shifts, the tones change. This is the moment we're all feeling, isn't it? Let me break this down for you, because clarity is essential here. I want to emphasize that every digit, every number, every figure tells a story. And this story should not be missed, no matter how busy things get. I know you're paying attention, observing, listening. This is the heartbeat of what we're doing. Now, let me explain again, because sometimes we need to stress things out a bit. Imagine we're standing here, looking at the numbers, and it's completely different today compared to yesterday. It's like a wave changing, a tide shifting. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you don't miss a single detail. You see, the balance is so important. We're not just talking about numbers, we're talking about strategy, trust, and execution. The way the market is reacting is fascinating, but it also tells a story of caution and adaptation. I understand that this can be confusing, especially with all the noise, but let me reassure you, it's all about one thing: staying on track. It's not just about chasing trends, it's about recognizing the patterns that matter. Now, let's talk about the key points. There were so many highs today, and you can feel the energy in the room. I want to highlight a few specific moments that stand out. For instance, you remember these markers from the beginning? They were the foundation, the starting point. But here's what I'm trying to say. It's not just about reaching the top, it's about how we get there. Every drop, every lift, every shift in momentum is crucial. You see, we're talking about a lot more than just financial gains. We're talking about mindset, persistence, and learning from each cycle. I've been reflecting on this a lot, and it's amazing how a simple indicator like this can change everything. The markets are unpredictable, but with the right approach, you can turn chaos into clarity. Sometimes we get caught up in the excitement, but let's not forget the fundamentals. This is what we're building here: trust, patience, and precision. And let's not forget the importance of confidence. These clauses provide a compelling framework for eliminating hostile environments in the workplace. However, it's crucial to note that refusal to perform a task is not incentivized by these provisions.